Hey guys, my name is Priscilla Elias and today I'll help you to save helpless photos. Well, I'll help you save the photos you might have thought were helpful. That's right, today I'll show you how to quickly, easily, and magically fix blurry photos using AI. I've talked about this earlier on this channel in one of my videos I did talking about several things at the same time, but since I still receive many messages asking me if there is a way to fix blurry photos, I decided to dedicate an entire short video for this. It might be the shortest I've ever done. Let's see. I won't make this any longer. Let's do this. There are two solutions I tried before recording this video and only one of them really convinced me. It was Remini app. No secret to this app, it works just like magic. You upload the photo you'd like to correct with the app, click Enhance, open the photo, click Check, and let it do its thing. On the free version of this app, you can enhance up to 3 photos per day and you cannot use some of the features of it. Also, there are some ads, but come on, no big deal. Let me show you what I could do with the free version of it. This photo was slightly out of focus and I'd like to see if it would turn it into something I would actually really use afterwards. The result? Definitely would use it. As a matter of fact, I did use this photo in one of my portrait tutorials I did last Christmas, even though the original photo was a bit out of focus. Remini fixed it for me, just like magic. So, okay, for slightly out of focus photos, perfect. I tried with many photos, it always works. If I have a photo that is slightly out of focus, this will always save me. But then this time I decided to push it harder with a photo that was way out of focus. As you see, the focus is totally on the background for this photo. Will it be able to save this one? This would be crazy, wouldn't it? Let's do this. Yeah. Then you can see that it's not perfect. But come on, look at how bad the focus of this photo was. It was completely out of focus. It was not just a bit out of focus. It was totally off. The result is a bit too sharp, and as I know myself, well, I can tell that my mouth doesn't look like my mouth. But I do think it made a miracle here. It is pretty impressive. You can also improve old photos you have, for instance. We usually have many photos of our childhood or maybe photos of our relatives that are very old and just do not look good. You cannot see much of it. Remini can help improve these photos so much also. Isn't it amazing? I use an iPhone and sometimes when I upload a photo to the app, it doesn't show the new photo straight away. I need to close the app and open it again in order to see the photos I uploaded to the Galleries app. It feels like it is some sort of bug, but no big deal. After I close it and reopen it, the photo I uploaded is there and it works just perfectly. Now you might be thinking you do not want to have to upload your photos to your phone in order to sharpen your blurry photos. Maybe you want to do it along with Photoshop while you edit the photos on your computer. That's where I tried a second option from Topaz Labs, which is the Sharpen AI. I downloaded the free version of it so I could test it and show you the results I got, but really, besides it costing a lot more than the Remini, it doesn't even get close to the results and the ease of use of the Remini. I played around with it for around 5 minutes and then I ended up thinking, nah, why would I want this if I have an easy, fast, and free way to do it? So, verdict, Remini app. Go download it and it will definitely save you many times with those photos that are slightly out of focus, but that you still think that would be the best shots if only you had nailed the focus. And no, this video is not sponsored by them. I really just love the app. So this is it for today, guys. A super ultra mega short one. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel because you will help me a whole lot by doing so. Thank you so much for watching me and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!